Hey guys, and today we're gonna try a little bit different type of content on my channel, and that's gonna be a plugin review. And this is actually the plugin which I'm going to show you today. And by the way, if you're interested in the similar kind of review for your own plugin, just feel free to contact me. Alright, and yes, let's just go ahead and try to install this plugin on my test website, and let's just see how it works. So this is a free version of the plugin. It means that we can install it straight from your WordPress admin dashboard, and that's actually an example website on my local host over here, which basically has just WooCommerce installed and nothing else. So let's just go to the plugins, add new, and now we're gonna search for this plugin like this. And here we go. And actually it has a decent amount of active installation over here, as you can see. And let's try to install and activate it on my website. And by the way, sometimes I use WebP on my websites, but usually I do convert them manually, either using Photoshop extension or maybe some online tool. It means that I need to convert my images one by one. And that's actually the reason why I rarely use WebP images on my websites, because it's kinda consume a lot of time. And so it actually can be pretty useful plugin. Okay, let's just activate it right now and take a look. And here we have plugin settings appear here. It uses a default WordPress dash icon over here, which is great, but probably we shouldn't use an external settings page just like this. It's better to add it somewhere to the settings over here. When you have just a couple of plugins on in your WordPress admin dashboard, this is fine. But if you have like tens of or even 100 of plugins, this dashboard menu can become pretty overwhelming. Alright, let's just go to the plugin settings, and here we have a bunch of stuff. By the way, we have like an automatic conversion over here. It means like if we upload an image, it will be automatically converted in the WebP or AVIF format over here. Alright, and we also have a bunch of settings. We have CDN, and we have logs actually, which could be pretty useful, by the way. System information, kinda submitting a support ticket or something, or maybe just a report. And we have a bunch of add-ons which we can use for our images. Oh, I can see a watermark over here. It can be pretty useful, by the way. WP CLI can be nice as well. Multi-site support. By the way, I'm wondering what can be a multi-site support over here, because what does it mean? So basically, if I'm using this specific subsite as part of my WordPress multi-site network, I guess it shouldn't be an issue, so the plugin should work for this website in a multi-site network, I think. So it's not clear what it means over here. Alright, let's go to the settings. And by the way, I'm interested, can I just convert on all of my existing images which I have over here? Basically, it's just WooCommerce product images. A lot of copies, I know. And I'm interested, can I convert them just right now? So I'm just gonna go to settings right once again. And let's probably we need to use this option over here. Start bulk cross post bulk processing, sorry. And okay, let's just try to do that. Okay, I do not have a lot of images right now, so I think it should not take a lot of time. Scanning images, 65 found. Alright, there we go. So I guess we should wait for a little bit while all this stuff all these images are converted into WebP. And as you can see, guys, we also have this pro version over here, which means that we shouldn't wait it like this. So basically, I think we just can run this bulk processing and then leave this page, and it's gonna be processed in the background. It's like a pro version of the plugin. But for now, since we have just a little bit of images, not a lot, we can process them like this. I'm actually wondering what it means, like background processing. Is it gonna be using WP cron, I guess? Watermarks as a pro version as well. Alright. Yeah, I guess watermarks should be a pretty useful feature. Don't convert PNG. Use picture tag. We have some more advanced options over here. Remove EXIF data. 5 images per request. That's actually can be pretty useful as well. Automatic removal of files. Probably I shouldn't use this option. Ah, no, my images are definitely not this large. It also processes all the image sizes, by the way. So I have a lot of image sizes. That's actually why it took so... It didn't took so long, but it could be faster if I just selected some specific image size, maybe just a thumbnail and an original image size. And we also can exclude some specific folders over here. Alright, so we actually converted all our images, and let's take a look what do we have. I'm actually kind of curious what we have in the media folder right now, and we have like JPEG images as before, and maybe we now have our images added in the products. I don't know, let's check it out. And we still have a JPEG image like this. JPEG images again. Okay, what actually happened then? Maybe I'm missing something. Alright, one more moment. Let's go to our product like this, and yes, we still have our JPEG images in the media gallery, and let's go back here. It is for newly uploaded images. It's not exactly what we need. Output it to WebP. Okay, where can I find that? I'm not sure actually. Add-ons. No, that's not it. Maybe this plugin simply does not support WooCommerce, I don't know. So if I'm just gonna go like this, maybe I'll insert this image like this, update, and maybe it will replace it over here, I don't know, let's check it out. JPEG, we still have JPEG images, guys. So basically nothing happened, or what? Once again, let's go to the plugin and let's try to run it one more time, because maybe I'm really missing something. Use rewrite rule. Maybe it just replaces JPEG with WebP images. Oh, let's try to use the picture tag like this. Save changes, alright. And save changes over here as well. Alright, probably that's actually what we need. Let's check it out, our product. Okay, that's something new, I guess, or not. And let's check it out over here. Alright, now it's working, guys. So basically, right now it works exactly as I want it to work. So it uses a WebP version of the image over here, which is great, and that's actually the image we are gonna use when we visit a website. And this is a fallback image for browsers which do not support WebP format. That's actually great. Yes, finally we made it work. Everything is cool. And let's check this main image over here. But main image still uses JPEG. Alright. So basically, if you're using like regular WordPress posts and pages, or your images will be automatically replaced with WebP format. You do not need to do anything else. As you can see, we have this WebP image replaced. Actually, it's a simple image tag is replaced with this picture tag, which has this source tag with our WebP images, and we also have this fallback JPEG image or PNG image, whatever you use over here. But maybe I'm also missing something with these featured images of WooCommerce products. By the way, let's just visit a shop page, and actually some images are in a little bit of different colors. Maybe here we go. Here we also have our images replaced. So on the shop page it's also working, guys. So everything is great over here as well. So basically it supports WooCommerce. But why this main picture is not replaced? Yes, we still have just like a regular original JPEG image over here. Maybe it depends on a theme we're using. So if I'm just gonna switch to some latest theme like 2025 and go back to a product over here. Alright, this theme is a little bit broken. I'm sorry about that. Maybe we can use another black theme, this one. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, and let's see. No, this image is still original one, but this one should be replaced. Yes, it's working correctly. And these images of related products, I believe, also replaced with WebP. Alright, that's actually how the plugin works. And actually nice. So you do not need to convert all your images manually. You just run this bulk cross-posting, or you can use this option for new images over here, and all of them except this main product images, everything else is gonna be replaced automatically, and you do not need to do anything else. And this option can also work, I guess, but since I'm using localhost right now, that's not an option for me. So I just switched to this use picture tag option. And yes, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking for a plugin for automatic WebP replacement, probably that's actually the plugin you can take a look at. And on that, I wish all of you a great day. If you have any questions, leave them down the video below. Bye bye.